Okay. Do not poke the dog with a stick, Stephen. No, sir. Back up a little bit. We don't want him to think that someone's going to hurt him.
Dog hair don't mix.
Is he ticklish, Brianna?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's liking it.
Steven.
Don't scare him.